I'm interested in questions related to the biotic response to climate change. And within the last 10 years, we've done a lot of work studying what's called the Paleocene-Eocene thermal maximum, which is a time 56 million years ago when there was a large-scale global warming event, somewhere in the range of 5 to 8 degrees Celsius. One of the really interesting aspects of the Paleocene-Eocene thermal maximum 56 million years ago is the first appearance of primates that have a fairly modern look. And these are the animals that we can trace our own ancestry back to. And this is especially exciting because it gives us a glimpse into sort of the first steps in what make primates unique. And I go to Wyoming and collect fossil mammals from rocks that are from that time period, from this 56 million years ago. And these fossils document in a very high resolution way how plants and animals respond to large-scale climate events. So one thing that we can say is that during periods of climate change, animals and plants move in ways that aren't necessarily completely predictable. And that's very interesting. Another thing that we find is that there are other types of responses. For example, some mammals seem to get smaller. Literally, they dwarf in their body size. Also, there are reptiles which seem to get larger associated with global warming events. We're collecting fossils in Wyoming every summer. We spend weeks collecting fossils, and in some ways, it's a race against time. So we need this information about how plants and animals respond to climate change as quickly as we can get it, because this literally represents a user manual for how to use the Earth during times of global warming. And the sooner we can pull together that information by going to the field, collecting fossils, bringing them back to our collections, and making them available for research by students and visiting researchers and so on, the sooner we can understand what's going on during these climate change events, the sooner we can use that information to help us guide us in the future.